Hey, I'm David.
And I'm Eric.
And 3 years ago, we came to you, to Kickstarter, and told you about our dream to make a low-cost underwater robot.
We wanted to make underwater exploration accessible to everybody.
A lot has happened in the past 3 years. We've shipped thousands of these robots to 50 countries, every continent. And most importantly, we built this community of people who are obsessed with pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
So for the last 3 years, we've been working on how to make underwater exploration tools the right way. And what we've come up with is something we are extremely excited to announce.
This is the Trident.
At OpenROV, we believe that exploration is not just about gathering data, but also about experiencing new worlds in a new way. We've designed Trident to be extremely fun to fly.
Most ROVs, they move up and down slowly. They go left and right, forward and reverse. Trident is nothing like that. It flies like an airplane. It speeds along, you can bank, you can dive. It's fun to fly. It goes fast when you want it to, but it can slow down and be precise when you have something you want to inspect.
Getting video from underwater has always been a challenge because radio waves don't travel through water. So we've developed a very lightweight, neutrally buoyant tether, which communicates the video feed from the ROV up to the surface. That attaches to a wireless buoy, which allows you to control the ROV from any Wi-Fi connected device.
Like a tablet, a laptop, or even a VR device like an Oculus Rift or a Google Cardboard. We wanted an ROV that could go to places that no ROV had been before. So we designed it to be ultra portable, whether you're hiking to high alpine lakes or you're bringing this as carry-on luggage. It goes wherever you go.
Most ROVs are designed to look in specific places where you already know where the target is, but we've realized that a lot of people want to explore with an ROV. We've designed Trident to be extremely hydrodynamic and excellent at going in long, straight lines. This allows you to do lawnmower patterns, being able to broadly explore a place that you've never seen before and find out what's there.
We've seen community members take this model and create 3D visualizations of the seafloor.
Using technologies like photogrammetry and structure from motion, we hope that we can help create maps of the underwater world that will allow us to see it in a completely new light.
I joined this project when it was the initial Kickstarter, and I did it because it was going to be a chance to take this hardware, these robots, and I was going to be able to use my software skills to actually program them and have them do stuff underwater. I've been using that to build a platform now that lets other software geeks like myself contribute and help programmers to find ways to control robots. We've made a plug-in architecture that allows you to add your own components, add new sensors, new technology to an ROV after it's already been developed and out in the field. The OpenROV software, it's bigger than any single ROV. It's opening the door to services and technologies that we're just now scratching the surface of. From mapping to autonomous computer control to imaging reefs and underwater shipwrecks in 3D. We're going to be able to send this data and utilize cloud computing, mesh networking, and all kinds of future technologies to make it available to everybody.
So whether you're a fisherman, a researcher, a recreational boater, or just someone who's curious about what's below the surface, this is the tool for you.
So here we are. We've spent the last 4 years developing underwater robots, and we've never been more excited about the project we have now.
To get to the next level, to bring Trident to life, we need your help. So check out the reward levels, let us know what you think, and together, let's build the future of underwater exploration.
Thank you.
Hey guys, today I'd like to show you something really awesome I've been working on lately. It is called RetroStone. RetroStone is an open source game console, so you can use it as a retro gaming station, or even better, to code, play and share your own games. Last year I launched Raspberry Pi on Kickstarter. I thought the idea of building your own game console was something really awesome, but in the end a lot of people just wished it came assembled. So I decided to go even further with RetroStone, to make the ultimate retro gaming console that will come fully assembled and tested. RetroStone can run a lot of game systems, and for games you can download ROMs on internet, but as long as you're not infringing any copyright, of course. You may be familiar with RetroPie. RetroStone can run RetroRaunchPie, which is a RetroPie version for H3 computers. And about performances, H3 is even more powerful than a Raspberry Pi 3. Let's now have a look at the different features of RetroStone. So the first one is the easy memory card access that will enable you to change software very easily. Then, on top of the unit, you have 4 USB connectors in which you can put any USB gamepads, so you can play up to 5 players on RetroStone. On the side, you have a HDMI output, so you can actually connect RetroStone to your TV and play there with your friends. You can even use RetroStone as a desktop computer. Just connect an Ethernet, a mouse, a keyboard and a screen, and you're ready to go. Then on the back you have 4 control buttons, of which the final color will be voted by the backers. In front you have 4 control buttons, a D-pad here, and of course a start and select buttons. On the bottom you have a headphone set connector, a sound wheel, and of course a speaker down there. With the experience of my first Kickstarter, it will be way easier to industrialize, and so I'm confident to produce these correctly and deliver them to you on schedule. As you can see, everything is ready for production. All I need now is you guys. So if you like this project, please back it today to make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.
I have always been fascinated by jeans. Among all contemporary textiles, it's the one with the richest history. The first pair of jeans was born in the USA in 1853 in the middle of gold rush, thanks to Levi-Strauss and Taylor Jacob Davis. 1873, they introduced Cooper rivets. It's the starting point of denim innovation. Jeans transcend all social classes. Bikers, rockers, punks, and all counterculture have embraced it, from blue collars to white collars. Jeans are iconic. In 1969, I was born, and Neil Armstrong became the first man to walk on the moon. Thanks to him, I invented in 2003 Armalite, a high-performance and abrasion-resistant fabric made by including an aerospace fiber within a single layer. It's been 15 years since I have started working on this fabric to give it the authentic look of genuine jeans. With such a fabric, I launched in 2015 the brand which is only committed to safety, comfort and style, BOLID'STER. Since the manufacturing is French-made, we have an eye on every detail. Thanks to your support, Guy, we have never stopped pushing the project ahead. We recently developed a special sewing thread to guarantee full resistance to our seam lines. This year, we have designed water-repellent new colored jeans and a modern slim fit with room to move. From yarn spinning to rivets, everything is done locally with the greatest respect for nature, people and their work. First armored jeans. It is the most reliable jeans. It is the jeans.
Святой Отец, что-то преследует меня, что мне делать?
Oh, the Lord will be with you. Let us pray. Now I am telling you how to clean up the evil spirit. Just say, the power of Christ compels you.
Сила Христа защитит меня.
Le pouvoir du Christ t'y contraint.
Сила Христа защитит меня.
Die Kraft Christi bezwingt dich.
Сила Христа защитит меня.
Kracht van Christus drijft u uit.
Сила Христа защитит меня. Сила Христа защитит меня.
こうできるのは西への便利だ。
Experience frequent power outages. The Luminizer makes sure you always have access to a safe, reliable light source. It requires no batteries, sunlight, or cords. Instead, the Luminizer converts warmth to electricity. Using a single tea-light candle, you're able to run powerful LEDs for several hours. The Luminizer is small, lightweight, and rugged, and offers 2 practical light modes. Avoid false safety. Be prepared for anything.